In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Goddess Provisions monthly subscription box over a glass of spiced rum. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. Make sure that you subscribe, that way you'll never miss out on another unboxing video. So every month, Goddess Provisions is so gracious enough to send me their monthly subscription box. And I do an unboxing over either rum, wine, some kind of a drink. This is like my winding down. Before we get into the unboxing, I'm drinking Captain Morgan spiced rum on the rocks. Okay, so it started to rain here, and so it's really cold, and spiced rum in the cold is really nice. So cheers. Okay, so a little bit about Goddess Provisions while I open this is there's about $33 a month, but if you do subscribe to like more monthly plans, then they do offer you a discount. It's vegan, it's cruelty free. They have 5 to 7 full-size products in their boxes, and it's usually like $100 to $200 worth of items. I mean, for $33 in the box, and then you get like $100 to $200 worth of items, it's actually pretty nice. And they also plant a tree for every box sold. It's just, if you guys have seen my unboxings, you know why I love it so much. So this is November's box. Hopefully I uploaded this on time so you guys can still get this box. Okay, so the first thing that I'm taking out here is the card that they give, which is so pretty, you guys. You guys see that? So you guys already know what I do with these. I will either put this on my fridge or in my journal. They just spark so much creativity within me, like the cover. So inside the card, they also tell you what you got and how much it is, and also discount codes from that company. So it's really nice. The first thing that I see here is celestial ribbons. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is really nice. So I've always wanted to try scrunchies that look like this. But I was never brave enough to, because I'm like, my hair is so weird. So I'm really excited to try this, and it's really cute. If you guys can see, this is the Goddess Provisions Celestial Ribbons, and these are an $8 value. So that's about $2 each. Not bad, because it does look like good quality. Okay, so before we get on to the next one, let me take a sip, because it is cold and this is warming me up. All right, the next thing that I see here is, oh my God. Oh my God, do you guys see this? It says, may the movement of the moon stir your soul. So it's like a mixing teaspoon, and I've needed one of these. You guys know that I make my own oils, my own herbal blends. If you're interested, go head over to my shop and you'll see all my work. But this thing is gonna be so helpful to me. Holy shit. Okay, so this is a crescent moon teaspoon, and it is copper coated. The next thing I see is a crystal. Now, right off the bat, it looks like euphorolite. Like it's a wand with a pointed tip. It's not euphorolite. I can feel. When you touch euphorolite, you can feel that it's euphorolite. It's so high vibration. It's something just completely out of this world when you touch a euphorolite. So I had 3 euphorolite candles on my shop that actually had the euphorolite crystal in it, and they're all sold out. I looked this morning. So I do have a few more pieces of euphorolite that I'm going to put into candles and put it back up on my shop if you guys are interested. Okay, so I was right. This is not euphorolite, but it looks so similar to a euphorolite. So this is a rainbow moonstone, which I have been promising you guys a video about moonstone for like a year. I'm still trying to get to it because it's just a lot. My experience with this crystal is it's very deep. It goes back. And so I do want to make sure that I cover everything in that video. So I'm still working on that video, but moonstone is very good for healing, soothing your soul, especially people who have been through traumatic things. This is also very good for people who are very angry. If you suffer with anger, irritability, mood swings, confusion, feeling lost and stuff like that, moonstone is really good for you. So this moonstone wand is $11. Actually, well, maybe because it might not be like charged, that's why it's so inexpensive, which is perfect because you can buy it for $11, which is really good. It's a very good price for something like this. The next thing I see here is a tea. So last time I got a tea from Goddess Provisions, I became obsessed with that tea. I have a little bit left, and as soon as I'm done with it, you bet I'm gonna hop on board and order so many of it. And it's from this company, Magic Hour. So I'm really excited about this because the last one that they sent me was some kind of a chai. Oh, it was so good. Like, you know, when I make chai at home, with all the herbs from scratch, with milk and sugar, and then you boil it and then you strain it. It's a lot of work that goes into it. But this mix was, you just put it into your milk or your water and that's it. I loved it, and it tasted like homemade chai made from scratch. I loved it. This is the Club Magic Hour Ruby Moon Tea. Ooh, so this is for immunity. So if you guys can see the back, it says there's hibiscus, black currant, rose hips, cranberry, elderberry, rooibos. Oh, rooibos. I've been so like addicted to rooibos tea lately. It's so good, and I don't know what it is about the energy. I don't know anything about rooibos, so I'm really excited to get like study it a little bit, see what the magical properties are and stuff, why I'm so drawn to it. But this is gonna be so good. Elderberry is really good for asthma, so that's really good for me. Hibiscus is great for Kali energy, and I work with Kali energy a lot. So I might even offer her some tea with this. I might make this and offer it for her. And this is an $11 value. All right, before we go into the next, I think there's 2 more things left and then we can end the video. I'm gonna take the last of my rum. There's only a little tiny bit left. So the next thing I see here is in a box, and this is packaging that I don't see often. It's usually like bubble wraps or in sachet bags. What is this? You guys see this? How pretty. Matrbhumi. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, if for all my Bollywood movie watchers out there, if you guys have seen that movie Matrbhumi, please just comment it below. I've seen it. It was one of the most twisted, most disturbing movies of my life, but it showed me the reality of a very real thing, and it's very sad. So that's the first thing I thought of when I see that name, Matrbhumi, or that word. I don't know what it means, but the only association with that I have is watching that movie, and that movie was very dark, very disturbing. So this actually, I'm like, now I want to go sit on Google and read about what that means. What does Matrbhumi mean? This was handcrafted by Indian artisans using sustainably harvested mango wood and recycled metal. So the stars on here are Sagittarius, which is good if you have trouble standing up for yourself. If you want more adventure, you want more fun, if you want to spice up your life. Adventure, spontaneousness, and integrity, and like just not giving a shit. Like, that's what Sagittarius energy is. So every time you burn incense on here, you are actually tapping into the Sagittarius energy because of this pattern right here. This retails for $30. Not surprised. Not surprised at all. I actually think that's kind of cheap for something like this. This is insanely beautiful. Okay, the last thing I see here, this is heavy. So this says, decorate your wall with the lunar phases to honor the power and beauty of your divine feminine. So this, I'm not gonna read anything about it yet, but this I'm very excited about because I actually wanted a moon decoration, and I had one in my Amazon cart. So this is kind of what it was like, but it was more like, probably the one that I put in the Amazon cart was either made from paper or plastic. This is made from metal. This is made from metal. Do you guys see this? Can I like show you? I don't know how to show it. You can see it's every phase of the moon, and you can hang it on your wall. I'm really excited. I'm gonna hang some in my bedroom. For sure, in my bedroom or in my kitchen. My kitchen is very bohemian themed actually, so the gold would go really good in my kitchen. So I might just put this in the kitchen. This is really cute. This is really pretty. And this is actually $33. You guys, if you actually put this underneath the new moon and the full moon, you kind of just lace it with oils and herbs and stuff, and maybe light a candle or incense around this, around the full moon or the new moon or any moon phase. Basically, you are charging this up, linking it to the energy of that moon phase. So every single moon phase, you would want to do something with this, charge it up, and then hang it on your wall to have that energy in your home that you can align with every phase. Releasing, coming in, attracting, purging, all of that. You will be aligned, and this is really powerful. So that is everything in the box. This is probably my second favorite box. My first favorite box is the one that I got the tea leaf divination kit in. If you guys remember that, that's my favorite box. I forgot what month it was, but this is my second favorite box. Like, I really love it. The things in here, of course, they surpassed $33. So if you guys are interested, hopefully you can still get the Goddess Provisions box now. Hopefully it's not too late, so head over. I'll leave the links down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you real soon.